In the race for the cheapest hair transplant, many forget what truly matters: safety, artistry, and lasting confidence. Behind the low prices lies a system built on volume, not value. Patients are treated as numbers, and results often fade in months. At Este Medical Istanbul, every procedure begins with a vision: your natural design. One patient, one day, one doctor. From London to Dubai, from New York to Berlin, our patients share one thing in common: trust. We combine medical science with regenerative innovation. Sapphire FUE DHI and Exosome therapy for faster healing and stronger growth. Hair is not a number, it's identity. Don't compromise it for a discount. Choose care that lasts.